Are you looking for a custom home in a nice neighborhood with excellent schools and family-friendly oriented neighborhood? Well, you're in luck. Today we happen to be in Piedmont, which is minutes away from UC Berkeley, San Francisco, parks, trails, Oakland Zoo. What a beautiful property that we're standing on here today, Amrit.
You know, it's a beautiful property. It's one-of-a-kind luxury home in a beautiful neighborhood
really
in Piedmont, right? This backyard is a Zen-like backyard. You can be very calm, do your meditation here.
Yeah.
It's a 10,000 square foot lot. You can even expand here
that is true.
If needed. And it's in the best of the best schools in California.
You're right, Amrit, and we can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour.
Thank you for taking the tour.
Now, as you saw, it's a great opportunity. Stop by our open house. Our first open house will have jazz music, champagne, and wine. I hope you join us, and we'll see you soon.